Weightlifters, this is weed. Talking about D2L and how to navigate through your course. So once you log into D2L and click on PHED 11 112 Weight Training 1, we're going to see the course image and some announcements. Do not panic if this is not your course section and or your class. That's totally acceptable. So the dates might not be congruent with what you are taking right now. So as you look through here, there is the start of the semester announcement telling you when the course begins and some other information. You will notice this video will appear here eventually. Here is how to fill out the training log correctly and some other ideas. Eventually we're going to have all of these Nearpod presentations linked from the academic portion of the class, and you can click on these and find the information. And there is a quiz that opens once all of these 5 concepts are finished, and also the nutrition quiz, and here is some important information including review sheets for your quizzes. Going back to where we are at the start, if we go to content, here is where you can find the specific information, including the syllabus and the attendance policy, a different set of list of various lifts, not every exercise known to humanity, but a good overall view of that. There's also the warm-up, and then it is broken down into start of the semester information, nutrition. Here's training logs. Don't worry about that. I am going to provide one free one, so take care of that. When we get to cycle 2, we add the hardstyle kettlebell swing, and cycle 3, we get the Turkish get-up. And then bonus material, which will be available if you have unexcused absences or need a quiz reopened, and some additional information which will not be on the exam. As we go to course activities, this is going to be important for you. So we go here to quizzes. And you will notice that there are quizzes that are available. Only this one, the beginning of the semester quiz, should be available. You can use OpenNote, OpenBook, Phone a Friend. You have as many attempts as you would like. Notice 0 unlimited to maximize your score. And then we have quiz 1. There's also nutrition quiz and the final quiz. So again, going back to course activities, quizzes, that's where you can get this information and see how you are doing with the different quizzes, which will all be timed out. And there'll be notification in class, as well as going back here, over here on the calendar, some of the items that are due and when they are due. So if you have any questions, be certain to ask in class or email me so that I can address it with everyone. Thanks for your attention to this. Have a great day. Move well, move often.